Hello, children. Welcome back. Now, let's look and say with me about these farm animals. Okay? Now, ready? Okay, now, first. Hello, my name is Mimi. I'm 5 years old. I'm from Vietnam. On the farm. On the farm. I can see a horse. I can see a cow. I can see a sheep. I can see a hen. And now, can you see a goat? Can you see a goat? Can you see a goat? No, I can't. Can you see a cow? Yes, I can. Can you see a hen? Yes, I can. Can you see a sheep? Yes, I can. Can you see a dog? No, I can't. Can you see a horse? Yes, I can. Thank you and goodbye.